Hey, thanks for joining me today on the channel. I'm actually at the Mercedes-Benz dealership here in Grapevine, Texas. Now, I'm very fortunate. This is only about 3 miles from my office, so it's not very difficult for me to take the Leisure Travel Van in for service. Now, I'm here because I had five recalls on the Sprinter chassis, and so I brought it in to get that taken care of, and also got the oil change. Now, I've got 5,000 miles on it, and they recommend at 20,000 miles to get your oil changed. However, we've had it for well over a year, and so at a year or 20,000 miles is when they recommend. So we're going to be going on a pretty good trip to Colorado in the next few weeks. So I wanted to make sure that the oil was changed and it was all ready to go. So I'm here. A lot of people talk about how expensive it is to maintain the Mercedes Sprinter over, say, the Wonder, which is on the Ford Transit chassis. And so I've seen some horror stories about how much oil changes stuff are. I can tell you this was not that expensive. I believe with tax and everything it was $180. I took my F-150 in to get the oil change on it the other day, and it was $80. And so, I mean, prices have gone up definitely for other cars, but it doesn't seem like it has gone up that much for the Sprinter chassis anyway, because I thought $180 was really, I mean, it's a lot, but wasn't that much. So wasn't as much as I thought it could be. So anyway, so I'm going to go pick it up, and then I'm going to see what all they did to the for all of the recalls, and then meet you back inside the Leisure Travel Van. All right, so for the same price as the Leisure Travel Van, you could have this little guy, which is a 2019 Mercedes AMG GT. So which one would you rather have? All right, I'm going to show you that the turning radius for a Leisure Travel Van is so much better than for any other type of RV. So, I mean, got a big fifth wheel, big 45-footer. Could it do this? I don't think so. How about that? Just a little quick U-turn there. Then you're done. Come right back out. Okay, so let's talk about maintenance on the Sprinter chassis compared to the Ford. Now, I don't have a ton of information. All I know is that this very first oil change that I got was $182 after tax. And from what everybody will tell you in the forums and different things like that, they act like, oh, it's going to be, you know, $600 to have your oil change and everything like that. So absolutely not the case. I'm at a very, you know, probably the top tier Mercedes-Benz dealer in Dallas, and you know, they could probably charge whatever they want. You know, they're the ones with the Ferrari dealership, the Rolls-Royce dealership, Bentley dealership, and so they are a top tier dealership and can charge whatever they want. But again, it was $182 all in. And so honestly, that is not terrible. Like I said before, my F-150 was, you know, close. It was close to that. It was like $70. And so everything is going up on price, but that seems very reasonable to me. And, you know, put in the comments down below if you think that seems reasonable. I don't know how much the Ford Transit chassis is. A lot of people say, well, I just do it myself. Well, if that's the case, yeah, it's going to be a lot cheaper because you're not going to have that labor. But with these Mercedes, I do believe you do have to be careful to make sure that you get it noted that the oil was changed, because a lot with warranties and things like that can go wrong if you don't document everything you do to the vehicle. Mercedes is a little bit weird about that. So love to hear your comments, love to hear what you Wonder owners are paying for oil changes. So if you do it yourself, great, but if you take it to a Ford dealer, you take it somewhere, let me know what your last oil change was so that people can compare. Also, if you paid more than me or you paid less than me for your Unity, for your Mercedes, put that in the comments down below. I'm going to be very interested to see what everybody is paying, because it is a pain point or a deciding factor, I think, for a lot of people, whether they're going to get the Mercedes or whether they are going to get the Ford. So whether they get a Unity or a Wonder. So love to hear your comments about that. Now, if this is your first time or you have not subscribed yet, please do so, because this is an RV channel that really talks a lot about leisure travel vans. We talk about gear, gadgets, and everything in between. And soon I'm going to be revealing what truck that I just ordered for my tow vehicle, because if you haven't been following this channel, I am adding to my RV arsenal, and we're getting a trailer. And I'm not going to tell you which one yet. Fifth wheel, towable. I'm not going to tell you yet. So, but anyway, I did order my truck. Did I get a Ram? Did I get a Denali? Did I get a F350, F450? What did I get? So that'll be being revealed soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. But anyway, that's it for me. Give me a thumbs up if you can. Appreciate that. It really helps the algorithms. And so anyway, I can't wait to hear what everybody is paying for an oil change. And with that, I will see you next time.